phase 4 has been started, and there are relaxation. Things are becoming normal functioning, are becoming are happening, and during this, when we leave this lockdown into the fourth phase, there are some few observations we are making. That is, the people feels that pandemic is over. When you come across the town, you move around, then social distancing is like almost forgotten thing. People doesn't wear mask. Even if they wear mask, mask should be put on the mouth and covering the nose, but mask is covering the neck. Many places, if you see, then the vehicles, particularly the taxis, which we talk about social distancing, even by relaxing, it's not happening. Our worry is, if we look at the pandemic situation, we have come to several stages. First, we thought we are in the green zone. We'll never be getting coronavirus type. That situation faced for the last maybe about 3 months or so, I should say maybe almost 5 months. We thought that Nagaland is free of coronavirus. We were thinking like that. But then suddenly, with the returnees, particularly with the train coming in with special train arrangement, that has actually, when that situation happens, then we saw a lot of positive cases, then spikes started, then followed by lots of travelers among the military and paramilitary forces. We come across a lot of positive cases. That's how the spike started in the month of May onwards. Last part of May onwards, that has happened. Then this was followed by asymptomatic cases turning positive, particularly when we started screening among the screening for the assembly gathering. That is again, we have come across lots of positive cases. This was followed by frontline workers started getting positive, then contact tracing starts. And when this contact tracing starts, we came across lots and lots of positive cases. And one thing which we have observed is the positive cases are mostly from the train returnees, then vehicle travelers, then come to the confinement places like offices. If you recall, then from commissioner's office to post office to various offices. So these are the observations we have made. At one point of time, the recovery rate seems to be very low. But this was just because the positive cases spikes, which takes some time for recovery. Today I'm happy that the recovery rate in the state is crossing 80%. So we are very happy, we are thankful to God. But when we look at the situation today, the contact trace cases, positive cases are also increasing. Not only the frontline workers, not only the healthcare workers, but then this is one thing we are observing. That's why when this lockdown situation is lifted and more relaxation has come, we have to be more careful, more proactive in preventive measures. And one thing everyone should remember is taking care and taking a new normal life is going to be paramount importance for everyone. If you don't want to get infection, behave responsibly, and if you don't get infection, you will not transmit it to others. But these are certain things which we need to see. That's why one thing which we are discussing again and again is enforcement of the SOP is very, very important, which is beyond the health department's purview, but everyone should take the responsibility that the new normal life of what we call 3Cs and 3Ws practices are going to be very important.
Just in the last 2 weeks also, we had also shown a lot of snippets where we said that 50, 54, where we could not trace the source of the infection. But somehow through the, not somehow, but through the active and aggressive contact tracing, we have been able to find the epidemiological link to those people also. Because in the initial part, maybe 1 or 2 days, we may not be able to find the link. But somehow we have been able to find the link. That's why in the small snippets that we give out, that part, the others part has been removed since we can find the link.
On an average, the testing it is about 700 to 800 in a day. Positive cases may be some 50, 60 in a day. But the number of samples tested is that much in a day. So earlier we were having from 0 to 1, 200 to now we are reaching up to that. We have the capacity to test more also, but testing is should be rational. So on a need base, it is not that one person is tested repeatedly. That is not the thing. But test more, but more people should be tested. That should be the logic. That should be the strategy. So to discharge, there was a point of time where there was repeated testing was done.